Hi, Jonathan. I hope you had a nice weekend. I'm just going to jump on and show you what you'll be doing today, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is look at your schedule. You are going to do your morning work, your writing, your reading, your math, and then you're going to pop over to Mr. Lee's folder for social studies. And then you have gym with Mr. Robinson. He usually posts things around 11:30, so you have to go to his folder for gym. So the first thing you're going to do is your morning calendar. You're going to click the calendar and the Starfall calendar will pop up.
Yippee! It's April 2020.
And
Let's make a calendar.
You're going to click all the arrows and you're going to complete
Sunday.
everything in this.
Goodbye.
When you're done, you're going to click the X and you're going to go back into your slides. So you're going to complete your slides by either you're going to have your dad or mom read it or you try to read it, and then you're going to move the box up. Or if you want to do this and it's easier, you're going to move the circle up. Okay? So you're going to do a greeting. You're going to find out what the month is, the day, and the year. Now this is cool. You're going to click the link and it's going to bring you up to this weather. You're going to put the weather in and you're going to read it. Today is partly cloudy. So when you find out what the weather is like in your area, you're going to go to slide 8 and you're going to tell me what's the weather today, because I want to find out, because it may be different in your area, but it is in mine. So you're either going to take the yellow oval and move it, or you can move your square into the rectangle, okay? So then you're going to do your typing practice. So what I want you to do is try to take time. I want you to try to do this by yourself. So you're going to look at the keyboard and you're going to find J and press J. Then you're going to click O. I want you to spell your name for me, okay? Then you're going to, this is extra. You don't have to do it now. This is just extra typing practice. Now this is going to be your reading and your writing assignment, okay? This is your username, your OIS number, so you can highlight it, copy, and you're going to go into iReady. You're going to paste it. Your password's the same, and then New York, and then press go. You're going to press reading. You're going to press the lesson, and you're going to complete this lesson by clicking the arrow, okay? So when you're done with that, you're going to go back and then you're going to do your writing, your math assignment, okay? So you have the whole day. Take your breaks if you need it. And then when you're done with everything, yay, you're all done. So I will see you tomorrow, okay, Jonathan? Bye.